Hello, my name is Rhoda and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my pizza dressing. For this recipe, I'll use onion, spring onion, carrots, cabbage, bell peppers, pepper and tomatoes. Feel free to add or remove any ingredient you don't want. In a clean pan, add your oil and add your salt when the oil is hot. Add your onion and saute it for about 2 seconds, then add your carrots. Fry for another 2 or 3 seconds, add your fresh pepper and your tomato. Saute it properly and now add your seasoning and every other ingredient you'll be using to spice it up, like your thyme, your curry, your black pepper, your ginger and your garlic spice, and your paprika. When you're done adding, fry very well. Make sure all the ingredients are well combined, then add the remaining of the vegetables. At this point, you're going to stir very well to make sure all the ingredients are properly combined. When you're done stirring, add a little bit of water because we need them to be soft. So add a little bit of water, just a little bit, to cook it through. Make sure it's properly stirred at this very point. You're going to cover and let it cook. That should take roughly 5 minutes. Check in intervals to make sure it's actually not burning, because we just want the water to dry out a little bit, just a little bit. When it's like this, know that it is done and it is ready. Just turn off the stove and let it cool down, then transfer into a blender and blend until it is puree. Now, you've just made an awesome and delicious recipe for your pizza dressing, and I bet you this tastes so delightful that you want to eat pizza every day. Try it and tell me what you think about it. Now you can use this dressing for so many things, and I'm going to be showing you a bunch of recipes you can use this to make. Thank you for joining me. Please click the subscribe button and see you in my next video.